guys, so welcome to the Italy vlog part 2. And we've been standing here for like 10 minutes and we don't know where our apartment's at, but it's really pretty here. Let me show you guys how clueless we are. My mom over there, I don't even know where my dad is. There's like no sign of our like hotel. My dad went around the corner and he didn't see anything, but my dad got me new Air Forces. I'll update you guys if we find our hotel. No, outside it has a balcony. But when we try and open this, like this is the code, it doesn't open.
See, that's what it looks like.
A nightmare because we don't know where anything is at and there's no signal. Well, there's like barely any signal. Oh my gosh, the window's open. Something pops up, I'm gonna cry.
What you call it?
So it's like, I'm scared it's like something's gonna pop up.
So we're down there.
Are you serious? I literally see it. Minutes per room. The Wi-Fi doesn't even work. We don't know why the Wi-Fi's not working. I'm trying to hit connect, but it's like flashing. It's like flashing.
It's juice. Orange juice. So yummy. It's good.
It's not that good.
Adult orange juice. Look, it's got orange right there.
It's like lingering.
This one now.
No.
Try it. It's good. It's like apple juice.
Do you like it?
After she goes out. Up here.
It's like really dark. There's literally like no service anywhere we go. So I can't like post or update or even take like my Be Real. Like the water here is super clear.
Hi guys. So we are in. I forgot. Look at how big these cactus are. Look at that.
Cacti. Oops.
I'm not gonna eat this all for myself.
And I hit my head on her floor.
At like 6 a.m. and like I heard like my alarm had gone off in the kitchen and I thought he like slammed a cat.
So it looked like a murder scene.
Hello guys. So I'm currently at the bathroom right now. But there's literally zero service everywhere we go. Like, even on the train, no service. Here, no service. Like, and I have not been on my phone. Or like, I haven't been on social media for like at least 7 hours now. But I think I'm gonna have to do homework tonight because there's no Wi-Fi at our hotel either. So like, yeah, maybe this is like a healthy break for me, you know? So I will like stop using social media.
Yeah, we got plenty of time.
So we have like an hour?
No, we got like 15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
There's our train. This is not our train.
Oh, is it a train? I don't know.
Oh, he's blown the whistle there?
Uh-oh.
Does that mean?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Better sprint.
Is it?
Is this like Vexia?
Yeah, we're in.
What does that mean? Does that mean the door doesn't work?
Did it stop?
Do we go to the door? Go to the door. We're stopping.
There's no.
Who knows?
No, it's that side.
Nobody knows.
Bruh.
Oh wait, there's no. Yeah.
We're stuck in this fucking thing.
Oh wait, yeah, no. This is it.
You're not staying on the
We
street.
have a tiny house.
This feels like a survival episode.
It feels like a survival.
I'm sure that.
Hi.
So it just waits and then it goes back?
Yes.
5. 11 It goes back.
So we stay on here?
No, not this one.
Oh.
We gotta go find it.
Go to platform 7.
It's an adventure. This is the crazy.
All right, okay. I think we
Is it gonna let us off?
I think yeah, because everyone's getting off.
It's on the door.
Everyone's getting off.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, should we go to their door?
That's the same guy.
Open the door, babe.
All right.
Yep.
Mine.
Yep.
Yeah, so now we gotta look.
Bro, better. I think we're good.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait.
Genova.
So I think we're good because it's going in that
Watch
direction.
it go straight to Genova.
Well, there's one way to find out.
He's going to the conductor.
The conductor?
He did this last time.
Oh. There.
Rule number 1. Get in this train. I hate you.
That's not the conductor.
No.
No, you're just looking at the
Oh, I thought he was trying to wait for that guy.
So we on the right one?
Okay. Alright, I think we're gonna be able to get off the train.
Sure. Yeah.
Should I go? We made it!
We'll probably be good with 2 little.
Oh.
Wait, go. Yeah.
So what's
Taste test on my muffin. I like this one better than yesterday. This is good. This is good. Okay, so there's a filling in the center of my muffin. So we have service up here because we're at a higher elevation and stuff. Everyone was freaking out that I wasn't texting them back. I almost lost literally all my streaks, so that would have been bad, but I didn't. I think we're just gonna explore a little bit. We're gonna go down by the water and take some pictures. My bangs are kind of ferocious right now. Mom forgot her sunglasses, so I'll just give you guys a fit check. My mom's, this is from H&M, Brandy Melville. I think like Albert Heijn or something. And then my Converse. But I'm just gonna go take pictures now.
I matched the buoy.
The buoy?
What do you call this? Floating device.
Floating device? But my mom ditched me. I think she's back at the hotel. I was out there for a good 20 minutes by myself. But it's okay because I was just making TikToks and I was talking to Sanaya. I'm going back to the hotel now because it's literally just right here. My mom they're not even in the hotel. Meeting them back down there because they took the way that my dad and I took. I'm gonna meet up with them because they ended up sightseeing a little bit. We're gonna go to the train station now so we can catch a flight. I'm gonna catch the train to the next town over.
Buy a ticket.
Special discount.
Okay, so we're here right now, and then we're gonna go explore those towns. We're back here in the town that we were yesterday for dinner. We're town hopping each town. We have a little bit under an hour for each town to explore. So I got amarena and then Dad got the cookies flavors.
We're in Manarala. And I got the Manarala crema.
Dad.
I got the cookies.
Anyways, so we're about to catch our train now. Look at that one at top. Dad, let me see your tattoo. Leave. One.
Good?
In the third part of Cinque Terre.
Abby, this is for you. I'm allergic to cats. It's so cute. Okay, so we're heading over to the water. Wow. We just ordered fries and calamari. I love calamari. Is it good?
These are good.
I want to do.
It's real good. Good that we're going back again to get it because we literally demolished that in like 3 minutes. It's really sunny out. There it goes. So we just got done taking pictures. These are my parents, and that's me, apparently, on the guard. Right, we got our food again. Now we're heading over to the train. Leaves in like 15 minutes. We're literally at the end of the bus. We better jump it.
It sounds.
Took the wrong train.
We just took the wrong train again. We just passed our stop. Right?
It just kept going. It didn't even stop.
We didn't even stop, so we just completely passed.
At least there's more people.
I got some snacks, first eat at the hotel, and then on the train ride tomorrow. It's whatever it is, the flavor is sour cream and chai and orange. No habla English, but you know what is with you. Oh, I get it. What is she doing? I was struggling to get this on.
I see.
Bro, drop the top.
So we're finally back and we're looking for dinner because we're low-key kind of hungry. I'll see you guys whenever we get dinner. Okay, so we're here at the restaurant that we came to yesterday and earlier this morning. Never mind, we can't eat there because they're not even serving food. They're just serving like mini snacks. But we were trying to look for pizza and they even ran out of pizza. Like, who runs out of pizza? Sorry, you guys can't see me, but it's whatever. I don't even think we're getting dinner, guys. We're just gonna go back to the hotel. It's only 8. I know it's at 10 in the morning to prepare. My phone's at like 4% right now. And we don't have any signal, and I'm texting my friends. Good morning, guys. It is currently the next day, and we're leaving to go back to Pisa at like 9 something. Mom and I are gonna take pictures. So she's, because it is her birthday. The birthday queen. Look at her outfit.